why did the Congress party refer to the Maoist terrorists who were killed as martyrs, as shaheed? And why did it demand an investigation into the operation in which the security forces successfully killed 29 terrorists in a single day? What is there to investigate? Who will investigate? Rahul Gandhi will investigate whether the security forces did the right thing or wrong thing. 1 minute, you're muted.
And if you're trying,
muted yourself, but I don't understand. First of all, what is there to investigate? What is there to investigate?
Was not said. If you
what is there to investigate in a you will investigate Balakot?
Just a minute, Arnav, allow me to complete. I think it's a sensitive topic, and this deserves an uninterrupted discussion. So Arnav, if you listen to the entire debate, what she really meant was, and she was under an impression that some of our soldiers were martyred, and in that context she has made that statement. She has never made that statement that any attackers, Mois, she is not referred to them as martyrs. So this one thing is very, very clear. Now the second thing is, I think you are forgetting that she also very clearly mentioned that she does not want to politicize this issue, and not once she said this statement, twice. But BJP being BJP, they don't have any other issue. They will try to make an issue out of a non-issue. Because remember what happened in Pulwama? In Pulwama happened, then Satyapal Malik questioned his own government, then he took up the responsibility and blamed the government, and he stated very categorically that it was our mistake because of which that kind of an incident happened. So inquiries happen to get to the root of the matter, how things have happened, and briefings happens after every operation, almost every operation. But to give this kind of a color, I think this is a very, very sinister plan wherein a section from the incumbent government is trying to give a
should be
completely false narrative that she is referred to Mois as martyred. This was not said. And, she said it very, very clearly that she does not want to do
Thank
politics.
You. Kapil, I'll get Shazia to respond to you. I'll get Shazia to respond to you, and General Bakshi will come in after that.
Yes,
but
I really want to come in.
The words used by the Congress party.
Yes.
इसकी गहरी जांच होनी चाहिए. That's the word used by the Congress. Why the terrorists were killed? इसकी गहरी जांच. क्या जांच होनी चाहिए? Terrorists तो मारे जाएंगे. इसकी जांच क्या है? ये किस तरह की लैंग्वेज है, किस तरह की सोच है? शाजिया.
Absolutely. It's one shocker after another coming from Supriya Srinath, who says iski gehen jaaj, gehri jaaj honi chahiye. And then she says, and we all heard it loud and clear, Kapil, so let's not mince our words and let's not pretend it didn't happen and feign ignorance, because I heard very clearly कि गहन जांच होनी चाहिए, और जो लोग शहीद हो गए हैं उसके अलावा सुरक्षा दल भी मारे गए हैं, यानी कि शहीद अलग और सुरक्षा दल अलग. सुरक्षा दल BSF
exactly, separation.
and जो शहीद हुए नक्सलाइट, बिकॉज कौन गए थे? नक्सलाइट्स मारे गए थे. कितने मारे गए थे? 29. In the first and one of the biggest encounters that has ever happened. The prize money on one of the leaders was almost 25 lakhs, the bounty on him. So this was a huge, big accomplishment, something we are proud of, because it just made India safer for us. And the Adivasis, BSF Jawans, normal Chhattisgarhis were targeted every now and then. BSF hit back, and like how? And instead of being proud, you want to call those people who were killed Shaheed. I mean, it can't get any worse than this. And, you said a lot of other things also. You mentioned Pulwama. You tried to confuse and convolute the issue. Let me tell you a little something about Satyapal Malik. Satyapal Malik was very happy being the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir. He waited out a whole year, after which he became Governor of Goa. He waited for another year. He went on to become the Governor of Meghalaya. And after 3 years and 4 of gubernatorial powers, he decided to call it a day, and he suddenly remembered, Pulwama happened, over which he was quiet for 3 to 4 years because he was being given one governorship after the other. So don't quote false gods and try to confuse the matter. I think Supriya Shrineth should apologize. One, the party, Congress party, should should express themselves and tell us exactly what the stand is on Naxalism, Naxalites, left-wing extremists, insurgents, Maoists, killers of simple BSF people who waged this war against India and have just wreaked havoc upon havoc on my country and in the Red Corridor. So I think there's a lot more you have to answer instead of obfuscating and running hither and thither.